Hi everyone. Welcome to the Lashes online channel. Today, I'll show you how I do a lash lift on myself at home. For this procedure, I chose Novel Solutions and InLei L-size shields. My lashes aren't very thick, but after a lash lift, it's much easier to apply mascara, and they look more defined. Let's get started by setting up the shield. I fixed the shield with silicone tape to make it more convenient for myself. However, I don't use tape when working with clients. For this procedure, I'll need gel glue, liquid glue from InLei, cotton swabs, glass jars with water, and an applicator. At first, I tried attaching my lashes to the shield using gel glue, but I didn't like the hold, so I switched to liquid glue. To make sure the lashes attach evenly to the shield, I use an applicator to comb through them carefully. Once all the lashes are glued down, I check to see if any are loose and fix them again with the glue. When the lashes are securely attached, I move on to the first solution. Using a brush, I apply it to the lashes, starting about 1 mm away from the roots and going up to the middle of the shield. It's important not to apply the solution too close to the roots. I set a timer for 5 minutes. Once the time is up, I gently remove the solution with dry cotton swabs and move on to the second solution. I apply it the same way, 1 mm away from the roots to the middle of the shield, and leave it on for another 5 minutes. While the second solution is working, I mix the dye and developer. I use products from LeviSsime. After removing the second solution with cotton swabs, I apply under-eye pads to protect the lower lashes for the tinting process. These pads are usually designed for lifting lower lashes, but I use the bottom part of the pad for regular tinting because they're very convenient and stick well. I apply the tint to my lashes and leave it on for 5 minutes. After that, I carefully remove the tint with damp cotton swabs. Once most of the tint is gone, I remove the shield and clean off any remaining tint with damp swabs. let's take a look at the results. In my opinion, the curl looks amazing. With mascara, my lashes will look like I've had classic extensions done. A quick recommendation, I only suggest doing a lash lift on yourself if you've had proper training for this procedure. Let me know in the comments what you think of the results. I hope you found this video helpful. See you next time.